Hey going, it's Brad here.
Hey, it's Kel.
And we've had BushWrapz on our car for 2 years. Okay, we've had BushWrapz on our car for 2 years now, and we've done a lot of trips around. We've used it. It's the BushWrapz Cape one, like it's the cheaper film of them all. And we've only really got little bits coming off here and there after 2 years. I've got a little stone chip here, and that's about it. And me and Maddie just pulled off a section here just to see if it would come off, and it's sweet. Looks good, and I'm thinking of keeping it on for another year. Like I was saying before, there's only little bits here and there, like this bit isn't happening here, but it was here, and that's just, I think, over time. But like, if we can pull it back, that's 2 years, and it's a year warranty on this film, and look at that.
So we went to Kenilworth and went through some really tight tracks. We came back and the car was absolutely trashed with scratches, and we thought we had heaps of damage. And once we got home and washed the car, it was all gone, and we were so surprised.
I've never actually put a heat gun to this, or Maddie's told me before you can put a jug of hot water on it and get the adhesives and all the molecules in it, and it would self-heal it a lot quicker, but I've just left it in the sun. It's done its thing, and it's always come back fresh and looks good. After today, I've gotten here, Maddie's explained a couple of little bits to me. I've decided to leave the film on for another 12 months just to see how far it goes for her and the film. We're going to touch up a couple of bits like this today, and you can do that as well if you would like. Like at the end of the day, if you do chip one door like I have, you can order and ring up and just get one panel. And like, that's the good thing about BushWrapz. At the end of the day, you don't have to spend so much money on getting the 10-year film every time, when you can just replace and get the BushWrapz film.
If you want paint protection for your 4B that actually works, head to the BushWrapz website and check them out.